Vayi Ephraim Kiyono Poso. Anyway, beautiful mush, different mush. Yonah becomes like a silly pigeon. You know, a pigeon has a remarkable ability. When you take it away hundreds of miles from its home, it finds the way back. That's why the homing pigeon, and you make them carrier pigeon. They go back, they know for some strange reason, they have a sense of direction, take them away for hundreds of miles, and they fly back. That is when the Yonah has a lake, as a smart pigeon. A Yonah Posipesi is a fool. A silly pigeon, anyway, has no lake, means mindless. So instead of, the idea is this: you've been so far away from our heaven's border. Now you notice that you've gone in the wrong direction. And everybody takes advantage of you and are not accepted amongst the nation. They step away your car, they insult you right and left. Find your way back where you came from. The pigeon has to find back where it came from. Silly pigeon, ain't late. Don't know where to go. So where did they go? It's time to go. They try all kinds of, you have to associate with America. They help you. And you have to try to find in West Germany. You have to get the time. Don't find your way back to the police. He's going. The going is hard. It's surrounded by danger. Go back to the shul. No, you look for political alliances. Scribe Kilo, after Lobo,